Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are now a member. Yay. I don't know how long it's going to take, though. How long it's going to stay, because I really am only using a Google Play card. And I'm going to purchase other things. So, we'll see how things are. As you can see, I have $102,000 with just this car. And, shout out to One Man Wolf Pack. If I hadn't watched his video, I probably would have still this thing completely maxed out, because right now I have it on the smallest block possible. Like, I have all this stuff maxed out, yeah, but I think, yeah, so my engine's completely upgraded. I've got all this, the turbo, I got a turbo now. I didn't do the blower, because I needed the turbo for, a race to do, so I had to get the turbo. And turns out it gives more. Actually, I don't know. I don't think so. Actually, no, I don't think so. It just gives more than what I have on the blower, and I'm not gonna spend another $10,000 just on the blower. So I mean, no, thank you. If I had no turbo, I would have this exhaust set up here, but I got the turbo. So, and I don't feel like wasting $5,000 on that. I keep switching back with my tires here, so I'll put those on. Right now, I still have no roll cage. Could probably wheelie bar short one, because sometimes you just gotta let the car roll. Just like let it free sometimes for it to get its best performance. So that's what I did there, because it felt like if I had that pretty much almost all the way down, I felt that the car wouldn't go as much. I don't know. Maybe I had it down on the ground somewhat. Who knows? Maybe you guys know. I'm sure a lot of you guys know more about this game than I do. Launch, tuning, boost, fuel time. Okay, so like customizations, I haven't done much other than new plate, new state, I should say. What else did I do? Nothing in there. I did some color customizations. I forget if I put that wing on on the video. But yeah, I customized the engine here because I have money now. It takes a while to get money, especially when you keep upgrading your car. You just leave your car at one spot, and then, yeah. Otherwise, I haven't done anything. So, I'm now a member. Like, literally just barely turned myself into a member. And I see you get this when you're a member. So, races won, nothing, distance. Money spent, $6,000. I didn't spend $6,000 on this thing. So, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it into the dyno here. This one's pretty good. Okay. Let's see here, my turbo. Oh no, I didn't save that. My last one. But then we'll just go off this one. 1,350. 1,000. Okay, so it's not bad. It's a pretty nice speed. I probably wouldn't have gone for this. Cool. Everything's free, that's nice. I thought that was just on the car show winners. How much shift? Yeah, I'm gonna put the weight there. Point. Nah, right around there. Going it high up. probably want down, right there. Actually, no launch control, thank you very much. Otherwise, Perfect Tune is installed. Sweet. Let's go into here. Let's see what it's got here. Nothing. She's got nitrous. I'm gonna install the fuel injected thing there. I'm gonna install the nitrous, and then ooh, that looks nice. What is the Pro Charger like? Okay. I think I'll move to the turbo right away there. But, yeah, I guess you seen it here first. I like how everything's free. I thought that was literally only just with, like, the car show winners and stuff. I was kind of hoping the car show winner was going to be, One Man Wolfpack's car. 501 cars. How can you put 501 when the limit is 500? I don't know. But, oh, I forget what his name is. Sorry. But, in my second last video, my latest No Limit Drag Racing 2.0 video, somebody commented that what I thought was an RX-7 right here is a Supra. I didn't know that. I guess with the taillights, it kind of looks like a Supra, but with the front end here, for some reason I just thought RX-7. I was going to buy a new car, actually, but I wasn't going to do one until you guys decide. But we're going to test out this thing. So, I'm a small block. Well, let's get a small block in then. Small block. Turbo maxed out. Now, let's bring that to around there. Stage 2. Intake. We'll bring that down there. Well, let's try it out now. Power adder. Let's see. Let's see. I've been trying to save these $9,000 coins for when I get a membership, because then the price gets better. So, like, all these other YouTubers, they have like $5 million. I'm like, how? I must really be playing a game. What the? Why is the shifting spot changing? Well, I beat that guy. $1,000 there, so. Yeah. Okay. I don't use my headphones for this game because, like, this game has different sound effects for, like, I think, maybe possible for the other car. And, like, I want you guys to hear it. I know you guys will want to be able to hear it, so, I mean, might as well let you. Okay, I do have slicks on. I was like, do I have slicks on? Okay, so I think after this race, I might buy either some other car. This SUV definitely does not feel fast because it's got the small block on it and stuff, and not very big turbo in either, but it's doing the job. Is this the last round? Oh, I think it is. I think we got it. that roll off is nice and fast. I like that. Actually, I don't mind how the shifting area moves, because now I can just tap and tap and tap, not having to pay attention when, oh no. Oh, this is an 8-rounder. Oh, come on. But, then I don't have to worry about when my, my lever's gonna get there. So that's nice. Well, I think I'm just gonna do this, tournament here, and then, a little bit past where I want it. I'm just gonna do this tournament here, and then, see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I'm on, last round here. And, nice Mustang there. Okay. I guess we'll see how this goes here. No issues so far. I'm just getting them to eat my dust, or my air, because there's no dust, this is pavement. Can't say smoking either. It was a little bit closer. So that's about $16,000? 100 gold. I know that for sure. 9,000. 9,000 times 2. Oh. I think maybe 18. Yeah, I think it's 18. I don't know. Oh, almost there. So, I think I might, just save up for my money for a, whatchamacallit, a different car. Like, not one of those, like, the pre-built ones. The, drag strip ones. The ones you can still buy with your in-game money. Or, you can buy them with your in-game money, or, choice. Look at that, in the dust. Not dust. But yeah, you know what I mean. Another 8er. Come on. Well, I guess I'll see you when I get to round 8. One problem that I have with this SUV is that every time it goes to 6th gear, I keep shifting. Because I'm not used to my car getting to 6th gear that fast. That's something new for me. So, it's something that's a little different for me. I mean, it's nothing. It's not a problem at all. Nope. Back to menu. So, what you do if you have something like that happens to you, you can just go back, and then it'll. Oh. I'm full. Oh, okay. But it'll save your position, like what round you're on. So 6 out of 8. So I just completely restart it. I like that actually, because then you don't have to restart everything, which gets annoying if you have that mistake, or your car's just not good enough yet, and you gotta do some upgrades. It's nice. You just gotta pause before you finish. That's something I always gotta do. You always want to shift more at the end of the game there. Now I won't shift because I know I'm in CX, but I mean, I was paying more attention that round. 7. Well, I guess I'll meet you. Just finished it with a breeze. No redos or anything other than the one that with the start off too early, but otherwise, all good. So I should have 150. So I'll show you what I mean. So let's say here, I have to, for the strip. So if I want this car here, like I have to pay 150 or $4.99. How's the outlaw here? Okay. Ooh, I like how it looks like they put camo in there. That looks nice. Okay. Meh. Okay. Meh. They tried to use a little bit of the, for some reason I'd like to say, I don't know, Fast and Furious or Need for Speed? I don't know. But it looks like that. Here it looks like they use the golf look. And then Corvette. And the Viper. Snake Bite. None of them are too bad, actually. Prestige. No, these are one of the... No, I think I'd like to get one of these cars also. I don't know. I think I'll decide on what kind of car I want from these. But one thing I will let you guys decide. Whether I should get any of these cars here. I'll number them off here. So this will be 1. And if you want 1, just say stock. 1 stock. Just put it down in the comment section. 1 stock, 2 stock, 3 stock, 4 stock, 5 stock, 6, 7, 8. Now, this, like, obviously, this would be 1 strip, 2 strip. So, like, this would be a strip car. So, I want you guys to just say what kind of, like, yeah, you know. 3 strip, 4, 5. Wow, I won't do 6 because I've already got it, but I guess 6. 6 strip, 7 strip, 8 strip. If I were to go for a strip, it'd probably be the Viper here or the Corvette. Those look the nicest. I won't do the Outlaws, and then that was 8. So then 9 stock, 10 stock, 11 stock, 12 stock, 13 stock, 14 stock, 15 stock, 16 stock, 17 stock, 18 stock, 19 stock, 20 stock, 21 stock, 22 stock, 23 stock, 24 stock, 25 stock, 26 stock, and 27 stock. Now, the same goes for these as the modern ones. So, 9 stock, I mean strip, 10 strip, 11 strip, 12 strip, 13 strip, 14 strip, 15 strip, 16 strip, 17 strip, 18 strip, 19 strip, 20 strip, 21 strip, 22 strip, 23 strip, 24 strip, 25 strip, 26 strip, 27 strip, 28 strip. It's a nice car there. 28 strip. Oh, sorry. I meant to say that this one here, this would be 28 strip. And then this one here would be 21. I don't know. I'll just edit it and I'll just edit it. Edit it. Whatever. But my favorite cars would be in here. Either it'd be this one. Meh. This one. Now, this one's not bad. Now and then the Mustang here, the Boss 302 here. That looks good. I like this one. I might even just buy it, to be honest with you. But guess that was a little review on this thing. It's honestly really good. I actually like it. I might make one of these here my multiplayer vehicle. Probably most likely one of the ones that I buy with the real money, because then everything is already like spent, like the money. I don't have to spend a single dime, and everything's there. So I guess we can test out this car, show you how she is. Actually, okay, $10,000. I might do that offline though, but yikes. I don't know if my car will do this. Small stage 4 turbo, small. I should probably bring down my turbo there, but oh well. So just bringing her up here. She's a good car. And with the membership, it'll allow me to get more cars and stuff. That was a terrible start. Let me tell you. Let me tell ya. Well, let's go again. And, yeah. Try and redo it. Get that temperature right in the middle there. Perfect. Perfect. Right there, right where I want it. Perfect. Rev her up, boost her up. Yeah. Oh well. I can just redo here. I need to learn. I need to get used to this car shift again. Because before it was just there, and there. Now, because I did some tuning to the car here, and it's just now it's. I need to get used to that. I'm used to just boom, like right there. Oh, okay. Thank you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just don't forget to comment down in the comment section there below, and I'd like to know which car. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for 50 subscribers, by the way. Like, I don't know how to do any, I don't know how to thank you guys for it. Quickly pause this. Thank you guys. It's half of my goal. 52 subscribers is what I last checked for, and yeah. See you guys later.